Alright, let's bang this one out quick, because there's not really a lot to talk about. Hello, and welcome back to another Plamo review, I guess. Today we're taking a look at the Action Base 6. So, here we have the stand itself. You do get 2 in the pack. And it comes with a base with 4 different holes for different placements. 3 arm segments, which are identical, so you can lengthen and shorten it as long as short as you want. A 3mm peg up on this side. I think this one's 4. You also get a 5mm peg if you would prefer to have this on an Action Base 4 or 5 stand. It is compatible with those. You also get this extended 3mm peg if you think it wouldn't fit all the way. You can do that. And finally, you do get a little claw piece. If you can't find anything to plug into, you can just wrap this around the waist and it'll stand up perfectly fine. As for the stand itself, you get, 4 different hinge joints, and it can swivel at the base. So pretty much whatever pose you really want anything to get into, it's fine. As for a quick size comparison, the base is, let's line that up there. Yeah. That should give you dimensions on how big this is. Surprisingly tall for how simple it is, honestly. Normally, I would have a figure up on a stand like this for the final thoughts, but I don't have any action figures really to put this up on, except for one that I don't want to spoil as a review. So, to wrap this review up, Action Base 6 is great. I do kind of wish it came with more than 2, but it's not bad for what you get. I mean, they're solid stands. And I do want to point out, the material they're made of is different than the previous Action Bases. This is a much softer, more pliable plastic, so I'm a lot less worried about the joints on this one breaking or loosening over time. I think this is going to be solid for a while. I'm sure these will hold up pretty well for a decent amount of time, especially with how they lock the joints so there's constant pressure. I'm sure these things will be able to hold up fine with pretty much whatever figure you want to put on them. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for future reviews. Come chill in the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, if that's even still around. And consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And, as always, until next time, happy building.